I'm not sure whether you remember this. This is Oraimo, it's a hair clipper that I bought the other day, but then unfortunately something happened. I dropped it, and I'm not sure whether you can see from this corner here, there is something that broke here. Like you can literally see that's what broke. So literally it means that this cannot work, because if you look carefully inside there, I don't know if it will focus, there is a motor, and in that motor it needs to be fixed to this contraption here. I don't know if you can see this. Excuse me, it's so gross. I thought I'll wash it, but this cannot wait. So what I'm planning, or what I did, is I like them. I like how durable they are and how good they feel in hand, and yeah, they are cheap. So I decided to buy an upgraded version from Oraimo, and I have my package here. So let's just see what you have inside, and you get to see the version that I have. So I think this was the last one, because once I bought this and I went back to check out some of, because sometimes I can be stupid. Sometimes I'll just buy something and start checking the specs later. So I went to check the specs later, and they said they are out of stock. Maybe they'll restock soon. I don't know about this, but maybe we can go through. But before we get there, let's first of all peel off this first, because I don't want it to give my camera a glare. And again, I want to see what it feels. So, okay, on this side, there are several things around you can see. Let me try to bring it closer for you to see. So you have several things. It's a super powerful motor, ultra sharp and precise blades, cordless using 240 minutes of runtime, and a smart digital display, comfort grip handle. So I don't know whether I have the box to this one here. We compare some of those. No, I can't promise I'll get it today. Maybe I'll try to put some specs, or maybe I link to this one so that you can go and check the specs. I'm in Kenya, so this one went for Kenyan shillings 2,300 after a discount of 200 shillings, because I bought this. There's a discount on their website in case you're buying something above 2,500. So this one, in terms of dollars, will amount to around $20 thereabouts. Bearing in mind, this is just a quick estimation. I don't know what the current rates will be. Maybe you can just confirm. So again, on this side, just the product and some descriptions here at the back, smart clipper and all that. Maybe you can pause here and read. I'm not a fan of reading on the camera when you can actually see. I don't know, why is it not focusing? Hey bro, look. I don't know. Let me try to see. Yeah, I think it's readable. On this side, nothing. At the back here, there is something that Oraimo usually do almost in every of their products. They usually put this. So what you do is you scratch here, you get a code, and then you scan here. It takes you to the website, and you verify whether it's actually from Oraimo, because I think they usually cross-check against the stock, against their inventory, to see if it's a legit product. Anyway, let's see what they pack inside here. They usually really know how to package. Hey, we are growing impatient. Okay, now here we go. So it was supporting rods like this. So remove that one. We have the clipper, which looks actually bigger than this one. So if you compare these two, this one is way bigger compared to this, which is really tiny. And let's first of all get to know what else is in the box. So it comes with this plastic here. I think it guards. It's just like this. Oh, so it has some oil. I think it's there. Actually, you can see inside here, I think there's some oil which are dripping inside, which is, I think, good. A welcome guide, which gives you some basic functionality on maybe how to charge and some, I don't know. And a pouch. I think this pouch is for keeping the shaver. It's not fitting well. I don't know. Maybe I can just twist it around and see if it will fit. Oh yeah, it's supposed to be, but still you are straining. You'll have to really stretch the bag to fit. And also here we have several guards. Yeah, before we go to the guards, let's go to, this is a Type-C cable. And I love seeing Type-C cables because I have almost everything being charged by a Type-C cable in my house. My laptop, my phone, almost everything. And it makes sense if I can just have one charger that charges almost everything. Like right now, the camera which I'm recording with is connected via Type-C, which is something good. I really love seeing that. So just a Type-C, I don't know if you can focus here. It's a Type-C to Type-A. That one aside, and then you have I don't know, I've never understood why they usually put this. It's usually so little. Maybe it's to get you going. And so you have this brush. So we have guards. Let's start with this group here. Here we have 1.5 millimeter. We have 3.0 millimeter, sorry. We have 4.5 millimeters, and we have 6 millimeters. So in that one we are covered. And then I think this even goes way higher. So this one will go for, this is 9 millimeters, and we also have 18 millimeters. This one here, actually 18 millimeters. That should be really long. I don't think even I'll ever use that because I'm buying this for just personal use. This is 12 millimeters. And you can see 12 millimeters. And also we have 15 millimeters. So we are covered. It's a really wide range. If you compare this to, let me get the guards for this small one, which the one that I broke. Just a minute. Take some few seconds. So I have this one, this one. They're so dusty. Let me try to make them a little bit clean because I don't use them most of the time. I don't use all of them because my hair is not that good actually. Don't need to style my hair so much. So I have there only this ones. They 1, 2, 3, and this actually is not a guard. This, okay, it's a guard, but this is just for storage. This one doesn't have anything. So this is when you want to store. And we also have this one. I think this is the longest one that I had. This is 3 millimeters. And this is 2 millimeters. I have this one, which is actually what I use most of the time. Usually use because I like keeping short hair. So most of the time I usually use 1 millimeters for the side and also 2 millimeters for the top. And yeah, I think that was what I got when I bought it. It was just only this plus a cord. There's a Type-C cord which I usually use to charge. It's also Type-C and usually keep charged. I can charge this and I'll have several shaves before I run out of power. But for this one, I don't know how long it will take because this is just an unboxing. I think it will make more sense if I use it first and then I review it. But then I think it's good we just compare how they looks. Like this is how they look on top, and this is how they look the bottom, and you can see the differences. Like this one you can adjust. You can really adjust. I don't know, they can, let me try to see whether I get an angle that you'll see what's happening to the individual teeth. Yeah, I think that's a good angle. You can see. So this is 8 millimeters. You go back all the way to, I don't remember what they wrote on the website. So you can just go compare the prices, see if you're benefiting more from this, which is a little bit more expensive than this, and then you decide which one to pick. For me, I think I'll prefer this one. It looks it feels, yeah, kind of like in between, because this one it feels domestic, like something that you'd put in the pocket and just shave. This one, it's a borderline. You can use this in a professional setting or maybe just in the house, like what I'm planning to use this in the house. I shave myself. Maybe I'll make a video of me doing that. So on the side here, this is an indication of how much of the power is left. Maybe we can just, yeah, so that it's on. So this is changing the speed and this is off. So if you want to increase the speed, this is just I think that the first level, the speed, and then if I want to increase the speed, I pressed it twice and I'm good. I don't know what this one is. It's just for decoration. It doesn't, I'm not sure. No, it doesn't do anything. So apart from those, down here, you can see we have this. So you can just hang it somewhere, using this. And also we have a Type-C, which supports AnyFast, meaning there is a technology that they usually use to charge some of those devices fast. So yeah, if you're interested, so if you are interested, you can go to their website and check and buy. If you're in Kenya, I think but I think they're in Nigeria too. I don't know where else they're in, but I'm sure they're in Kenya, both physically and also on the website, because this one I ordered it online. So I think you can just go and check if it suits you. I love using this. It looks so handy. But now I think if I had this thing here, this one, I could have maybe put it in a place where it's not going to fall and break everything. This is still functional. The motor is still working. But then, you see, the motor is still working and functional. But then, repairing this thing looks kind of hectic because this is not plastic. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll make a follow-up video on the review after I use it thoroughly and see how long it takes and how well it shaves. Maybe make some few videos of me shaving myself. I think it'll make more sense. Yeah, see you in the next video.